Yeah, that's what I found out. All right, see what we got here. What color are you putting in here, Root?
Multi.
Multi?
Yeah.
How's Jersey doing? She acting okay?
Yeah.
You're not drinking too much? Huh?
Think we should drink.
Hi, Josh.
Hey, sir.
How you doing, Karina? I like that, but that won't look good with multis in it.
Yeah.
And we couldn't find the wreath we really wanted to get, but I like that second. I think it'll be pretty there. It comes with warm white in there, so we might just plug it in and let it be.
Just plug it in?
Yeah.
Okay. How do you wanna just only hanging up a wire in it? Because we don't have any place for put it in.
Yeah, I'm thinking.
Yeah. And the only outlet is this one in the front and the other one in the wheel back. Yes, only we already got this outlet in there.
Where's your outlet at? Over there?
It's right in the front.
I thought there was another outlet over here on the side, but I think that's the neighbors.
Yeah, it's the neighbors.
No, there's nothing wrong with this wreath. We were just thinking of getting a plain wreath, you know, green, and with one bow in it, and then putting, Graydon had an idea of warm white, you know, candy cane, and putting that up against the wall.
Yeah,
but this comes with lights, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It's LED or incandescent? I think it's incandescent.
No, it's gonna be LED.
Oh yeah, it's LED. But I didn't want to use the batteries.
Yeah. Well, we just disconnect that and put the wire onto it.
I don't think so because the last time we had to try one of these one and we had to fire up everything.
Oh, that's good.
Because it's not enough for a
911, what's your emergency? TLC's at my house. Oh, TLC, we've been running a lot of their calls.
This one is coming in just only for battery, not for electricity.
I know, just kidding you.
Yeah. Oh, we added. I can put the one in the new ones at top.
Do you have warm white?
I have a warm white in there.
Yeah.
Warm white or warm white candy?
I have a candy too, but
I think just warm white.
I think just warm white.
One strand or half a strand of warm white mixed in, and that's all you need.
One strand or one, and we had to try to make sure we add all the flowers up top.
Or cut the flowers out.
No, we can. Yeah.
No.
It's a beautiful flowers are red.
Oh, they're beautiful, Mr. Bob. I can't cut them out. The women love them.
Oh,
they just like them so much.
I would take the ball.
No, leave everything in there. Leave it in there. Stop.
Yeah.
Stop, Grinch.
Okay.
Great.
He's a Grinch. He wants to take everything out. No, I think that wreath will work fine here. Yep. Yep. We were trying to go with a plain green with a big bow in it, but couldn't find that one. And somebody forgot to bring the one we had for this home at the office this morning. Apparently, the guy left it behind. You don't know who his name is, do you?
I think his name's
Sir?
Bob, right?
Sir, do you have any idea what the name of this person was,
No,
sir?
I
Sir? Sir?
I don't remember.
What do you think, Jersey? What do you think? Huh? Josh, you have to be careful back here when we do the swag because of the Bronco there, okay? Make sure you had nothing in your pockets so nothing will fall out. No drill, no nothing. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
We'll do the lights on the ground, then we'll take a couple zip ties up, but make sure you had nothing to,
All right.
you know what happens when you have something in your pocket, right? And you're over top of a vehicle, it's like a magnet. Hey, Root, I told Josh when you guys do that swags in the back, have all your lights in it already, obviously. And when you do it, make sure you got nothing, no tools in your back or a drill on your shoulder, because you know that's a magnet to vehicles underneath.
Yeah.
You know what happens, right?
Yeah.
You can have one screwdriver all day long on 20 jobs, never fall out. You go over top of a vehicle, it comes right out.
Is that door purple when we were here last time?
Yeah.
I don't remember that. Gonzaga purple.
Yep. And then Monday morning, give me a schedule. You go over Mike's for an hour, put a sleeve in across it real quick, take a pick it out, and drop in a piece of 2-inch. What do you think?
I don't know if the guys we are stored there because the last time he don't like to be stay there. Good. Remember the first time he said the guy we are need to finish first.
Yeah, but if he buries us, how you gonna? If once it gets asphalted, how are we gonna get in there?
Yeah, it's supposed to be. He told me the construction guy they already put the sleeve on.
Oh, he is?
Yeah, but I don't know. Remember he say
Okay.
today he say
Okay.
something and then tomorrow he say something different.
Yeah.
And,
Okay. Well, as long as the construction guy's going to do that, that'd be
but I
fine.
can go Monday for make sure we already
Why don't you
go-
just check up on it Monday on your way out?
make sure
Yeah.
we already put the right sleeve. And
All right.
then
And I'll
know-
talk to Mike too over the weekend. How about that?
Yeah, and put the 4 inch sleeve. It's enough for a
4 inch?
Yeah, 4 inches.
Were you going to drive a truck through it?
No, for a
Sprinkler and the lighting?
sprinkler and the lights and all this stuff.
Yeah.
Because I think so they cut it already, but I don't say anything.
Okay.
And nobody can see it because there's no water there.
Okay.
They cut it all the pipes already.
Yeah. Okay. All righty.
Yeah.
All right. We'll talk at you.
Yeah.
See ya. That wraps up another episode of Life of a Contractor. We'll talk to you soon. If you like this, like, subscribe, and we'll talk to you in the next episode. Talk to you soon.